Okay, so I've been meaning to put up a channel for a long time now about my truck and just going through the mods. I have a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi. It's a quad cab. I really originally bought it to just be like a work truck, and then I really got into the Rams and just, you know, I ended up falling in love with the truck a lot. So I meant to like shoot every video for, you know, whether it be the mods I've done or issues I've had. So right now I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through a quick overview of the things I've done, and then from this point on go through the whole process of, you know, each step from here on out. I know it sounds confusing, but all right. So one of the most, well, you know what I'll do is I'll stop this video and then turn the camera around, because I don't know how to do that on this phone. Somehow you do it, I don't know how. Let me see. I'm messing with all kinds. The first thing you're going to notice is, yes, I did change the headlights, and for those of you who don't know, it was a nightmare. So I have LED strips in the top that are my daytime running lights as well, and they come on with the ignition, so they do come on at all times. For those of you who don't know, ordering anything from DT Moto, these headlights, the projectors in them absolutely suck, and I had to switch to Morimoto projectors. So I ended up opening the lens, putting in Morimoto projectors, and a 35 watt 6000K HID kit. The HID kit is a xenon ballast on Morimoto 6000K bulbs. The LED strips are from, where are they from? I forgot the name. It's from the Retrofit headlight source. Oh, Profile Performance, right there. Other things that I've done to the truck is I've done a K&N intake. Like I said, the HIDs, which I'll show you in a minute. But it's got the K&N intake. It's got a Flowmaster Super 10 with custom dual exhaust from the cab back. But there's my whole setup for the headlights. That's the HIDs with the CAN bus driver, which was a whole nother nightmare in and of itself. And I did do the tonneau cover, which I got used from somebody for 125 bucks, which is great because it's in great condition and it's a trifold. I did LED plate lights, courtesy of my boy Danny, who also bought me the exhaust. Good friend. But full dual exhaust with blue tips. Forgive me, it's kind of dirty right now, but custom. I don't know if you guys can see that. Resonators right off the back, and underneath is Super 10 somewhere. Right there. Sorry about that. So, to say it's loud is an understatement. I'll start it for you now. But I'll show you what I'm doing next to it, because the next thing I do to it is going to be a major game changer. Then I'll show you the headlights and everything after it's running. Let me set the phone down over here. Okay, I'm back. I accidentally shut that off, so forgive me. HIDs, those are the daytime running lights, and they are switchbacks with the halos. If I turn the turn signal on, that's what they go to, and then they go back to Morimoto projectors are awesome. They're just just plain H1 projectors, but they are pretty cool. They distribute the light great. The cutoff line is nice and distinct. And 6,000K Morimoto bulbs. I will tell you this, I would recommend getting the harness from Morimoto, just because you can see the cutoff line there. Just because I do notice a little flicker, and I've read up online that that's because the ballast is not getting enough power. So with the harness supplies power right from the battery, and you don't get that little flicker. The flicker is like minimal, you can't even tell unless you're really looking at the bulb, but it is something that drives me crazy. So I'll send another video of the big thing to come next.
So much boxes.
I know, you have to pack any more boxes in here. Are you ready to see sexiness? Hey, baby! Oh, I said, are you ready to see sexiness? Oh, they're heavy.
That's how big they are.
Oh, yeah.
Are the tires flat?
That is sexy.
That's in the video.
All right. '20s, baby. Okay, so I'm back, and my fiance is cooking tacos. It smells nice in here. So she's been really great with me doing everything, like taking up our whole living room with this kind of stuff here, which is the next mod. I'm getting them put on Monday, and it's gonna completely change the whole way the truck sits. So we got tires and we got rims. I went with a 20 by 10 negative 18 millimeter offset, and with 33-inch tires, so 33 by 12 and a half by 20R, and you can kind of see the rim here, if you can see that. Kind of bad lighting, but I don't want to give it away too much. I'll send more videos once I get them on. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like here. I'll take video of me dropping it off, and then picking it up, which I can't wait. But here is the size and everything, just for you, those of you that are wondering. Okay, I have a stock suspension. I don't know if you can read that if it's coming up backwards, but if it does, I'll take a picture of it. I have stock suspension, no living room kit, and I'll let you guys know about how this actual setup fits as far as rubbing and all that stuff goes. So stay tuned until we get this thing on the truck.